Hello, good morning. We're here in saan ba kami? Kyrgyzstan, here in Bishkek. We're here in Bishkek. So guys, hindi pa kami pwede makipag-check-in. So mukhang haggard pa. So 2 o'clock pa ang check-in. So ngayon naglalakad-lakad lang kami. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. And then sarado pa ang mga establishments, bazaars, and all. So magkutikot lang kami dito. Guys, ang dami-daming construction. So ito yata yung pinaka main square nila. This is the theater hall. Pagkatapos, ayan, yung parang may building. And then this one also. So guys, habang sarado pang lahat, mag-groceries muna ako ng water. Tsaka bumili lang ako ng wet wipes. And then egg. We have dessert. Hot dog. Uy, parang meron din tayo nga, no? Natural. This is our first meal here. And first.
Good morning.
Okay. Hello, good morning. It's June 7 and we are going on a city walk tour here in Bishkek. We already finished our breakfast, so luggage out now because we are not gonna sleep here anymore. We're going to the village guest house. So guys, mag-walking tour kami starting from the White House. So this is Bishkek, you guys.
Universities are located in Bishkek. They have the great national drinks. There's 3 different kinds. The first one and the red one is called Maxim. Maxim is made from different variants and look like this. It is very thick drink made mostly from millet, corn, wheat, and it's very filling. And the second one, this one, blue one, is chalap. Chalap is it's like ayran, but more liquid and salty. And the last drink, it's kvass. Have anyone tried kvass before? Kvass is a sweet drink. I think you will must enjoy this. And this is a Russian drink. It's made from a dark red or wheat, and it's a little fermented. It tastes like a sweet beer. So on the right side of the minaret there was a big mosque, and the minaret also worked as a call for prayers, they would say, from here. Originally the size was 44-45 meters, but there was a huge earthquake.
The largest minaret in Central Asia, in the Balasagun city. Are the yurts here in Balasagun? Our food for today. This is our home for tonight. Wow. Here in the village. Wow. My shower. Guys, we are here in Chongqimin na. So look at my view. Ayan. So after namin saan ba kami pumunta? Mag walking tour earlier. I think punta kami ng Burana Tower. And then after Burana Tower, lunch, and then we went to saan ba? Sa viewpoint and sa guest house na kami. So overnight lang, and we're just exploring the fields different mountain ranges. Hi, good morning guys. So katatapos lang namin mag-breakfast. Currently June 8 na. So yung group namin nandito, actually huling-huli na ako. Nag-hike kasi kami dito sa Chongkemin Valley. So tingnan niyo guys, napaka-steep ng view. Pero tingnan niyo naman yung mountain, tapos tingnan niyo yung kinatatayuan ko guys. Bangin na siya. So hindi ko alam kung makakaya ko. And siguro maghintay na lang ako dito sa kanila. Actually, this is not a lake. Reservoir lang to. Kasi merong dito sa taas, yan, meron silang parang lake dyan. Na itong reservoir na to, tumutulong to sa mga agriculture, sa mga farmers. So parang yung lake doon sa taas ng mountain na to, iniipon niya yung tubig dito sa reservoir. And then it goes to the agriculture.
Vultures, aren't they? Yeah.
So this is another stopover for us guys before we go to the yurt. Hindi naman mountains, different colors. Mas naman iron brown, may green. Today Kyrgyzstan is nature talaga. 5 stands. Well actually this is my second stand. So hindi natin alam kung what are they gonna offer. Tingnan na lang natin. Evening guys. 6 o'clock in the evening, and this is our home for tonight. And that lake is second biggest lake in Kyrgyzstan.
Iba naman yung pagtingin niya, iba naman pagtingin ko. Sabi ko, baka iba yung Namibia pinuntahan niya.
Pakita lang sa inyo ang aming yurt below the mountain. Nice.
1/4 na lang itong
Hi, good morning guys. So we survived another yurt experience here in Songkhul. So malamig siya. And then advice ko lang, if ever you wanted to sleep in the yurt, make sure na meron kayong mga panlamig. And yung condition hindi masyadong maganda, expected na yan kasi walang mga shower. Yung toilet facilities parang common. Sometimes walang flush, sometimes walang toilet paper. But dito sa tinulugan namin, meron naman siyang wifi, pero pinatay nung gabi. And then may heater naman. And then, ano pa ba? Meron din siyang mga lights. So, pwede kami nakapag-charge din kami. Yun nga lang, talagang out of comfort zone yan. Pero surviving naman. And then, meron naman kaming water dito. Pwede kami mag-toothbrush and pwede kaming mag-hilamos. Pero no shower po kami today. You know what, Leslie? You were gonna love the food there. In Turkmenistan, the food is really good. So, stop over here guys, dito sa Valley of the Fairies. Look at that. Look at that. Ito sina ate. And
Okay.
huh?
Yeah, that's good.
They're also nice and tiny.
Yeah. See, I can only get 3 at a minimum out of that. Right?
Stop over muna tayo guys dito sa Tamga. Tignan niyo naman ang view, ang ganda. So, dito kami ngayon guys, mag-stop over kasi mag-yurt making kami.
And my husband continue my father-in-law's job. And of course, in this is my beautiful ladies, my helper. Here, guys, in this room, we make Kyrgyz national carpet. It's called shirdak. Shirdak.
Listen carefully, later she will test you.
Yeah. Here. And this is a skin of yak. and learn how to do it. So you take it.
Three.
This is the oatmeal. That's ordinary one. And
So we did our yurt making now.
oat
This is
to
what I
make
did.
it prevent from sliding to the side.
So this is our last night in Kyrgyzstan, guys. So we're eating here in the Uyghur restaurant. So local Uyghur food. This is parang dumpling. And this is yung salad nila, beets. We have the mushroom. And this is yung chives nila.